Hey there, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Damodar Jinnaram and I am about to review Rigi software. I will walk you through the members area, my bonus page and sales page. Subscribe to my channel to encourage me to create more and more product review videos, and don't forget to like and share as well. So, what is Rigi? Rigi is the world's first revolutionary Instagram marketing automation app. It is the first to market Instagram marketing automation technology. You can instantly tap into 1 billion plus Instagram users worldwide. You can automate your Instagram marketing campaigns like a pro. Drive real buyers and convert them to lifetime customers. It is perfect for beginners. No techie stuff included. So, get started easily with step-by-step video tutorials. Here are the top 5 reasons why you need to get Rigi right away. Drive unlimited buyer traffic from social media giant Instagram with just few clicks. Finally, kick away all headache related to doing everything yourself. Easy to use software with no prior tech skills needed. Get red hot traffic on demand with zero monthly fees ever. Create freedom in your life to live the kind of life you always aspired. Rigi software is an amazing multi-purpose Instagram marketing automation platform that everyone needs, like online marketers, website owners, digital product sellers, software sellers, affiliate marketers, e-com store owners, advertising agency, freelancers, social media marketers, search engine optimization professionals, bloggers, local business owners and many more. Rigi goes live on the 22nd of June at 11 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. Purchase Rigi software at early bird price at $12. The price shoots up every 30 minutes. It is backed up with 30 days money back guarantee, so there is no risk at all. When you purchase front-end Rigi software at $12 right now, the vendor is offering the following bonuses. Rigi software, $97 month value. Step-by-step video tutorials, $297 value. Quick start guide, $297 value. Live chat support, $497 value. Surprise bonus 1. 20 reseller license, $1,497 value. Surprise bonus 2. Unlimited 3-in-1 premium tool, $1,997 value. Surprise bonus 3. 24/7 support, $497 value. Bonus 1. 4K HD video downloader premium, $197 value. Bonus 2. Instant screen recording software premium, $497 value. Bonus 3. $100 day income system, $297 value. Bonus 4. YouTube traffic case study, $397 value. Bonus 5. 100 plus premium themes and plugins, $497 value. Surprise bonus 4. Mastermind access, $997 value. Surprise bonus 5. Get money training, $497 value. Early bird price for Rigi software front end is $12. There are 5 upgrades to this Rigi software. Upgrade 1. Rigi Unlimited, $27. Unlock unlimited features to get max unlimited traffic, sales and profits with just the push of a button. Upgrade 2. Rigi DFY, $197. Upgrade to Rigi DFY edition to get 500% more traffic, sales and profits without any expensive fees or doing anything yourself. Upgrade 3. Rigi Pro, $37. Get 300% more traffic and sales faster and easier with zero tech hassles ever. Upgrade 4. Rigi Exclusive, $97. Set up DFY funnel. Integration with autoresponder. Approval affiliates offers. Step-by-step funnel training, 24/7 support. Upgrade 5. Rigi Reseller, $37. Grab complete resell rights to Rigi today and generate a cool monthly income in the next 24 hours. This is my bonus page. You can watch Rigi software demo video on this page. I am offering you the best of the best products as bonuses. When you purchase the Rigi software through my link, you will be getting all these bonuses. Bonus number 1. Affiliate commission formula. Discover the easiest ways to generate more commission using these little known secrets. Bonus number 2. Affiliate marketing 2021 and beyond. Get ready to give your business a huge upgrade, because you're about to discover the time-saving, profit-boosting magic of affiliate marketing. Bonus number 3. Affiliate marketing action plan gold upgrade. When done properly, affiliate marketing can be a very lucrative component of an online marketing business. Bonus number 4. Affiliate Marketing Blueprint. Discover how to get rich selling other people's products. This guide will show you exactly how you can get started in affiliate marketing and get rich by selling other people's products. Bonus number 5. Affiliate Marketing Secrets. Are you looking for that laptop millionaire lifestyle that comes from affiliate marketing? This bonus will help you. Bonus number 6. Affiliate PDF Branda Software. Here's how you can promote all your products and services on autopilot using the power of viral PDF reports. Bonus number 7. Article Rewriter Pro. More and more people are creating their own websites containing videos or other forms of active content, such as games. The problem with this sort of website is that there is nothing on the page to attract search engines. Search engines like text that gives them an indication of the content. Preferably unique. Bonus number 8. Auto Support Bot. Here's how you can use the same profit boosting strategy as many of the big companies, by offering your visitors 24/7 live chat support on your websites. Bonus number 9. Email List Building Gold. If you have been around for any length of time online, you have probably heard the phrase, "the money is in the list." Bonus number 10. Email Protector Software. This PHP script is a quick and easy way to protect your email address on your site from spam bots. Bonus number 11. List Building Expert. Need a boost in sales? Discover the secret methods of how to build a huge list of hungry subscribers eager to learn and buy everything you've got. Bonus number 12. List Building Secrets. Amazing success on the internet can be yours even if you don't know where to start. You can get all these bonuses on purchasing the Rigi software through my link on clicking the green Secure Your Bonuses Now button links, or click here to claim your copy and bonuses links on this bonus page. Your bonuses will be available in the Warrior Plus members area. When you log into your Warrior Plus account, click on the Purchase History tab from the drop-down. Then click on the product you purchased. You will be taken to the Product Access page. Below the Access Your Purchase button, you will find blue button titled as Access Affiliate Bonus. Click on that button and you will get all the bonuses offered by me. Thank you very much for watching my review video. Hope I covered all the topics. Click the link in the description and you will be taken to my bonus page where you can find Secure Your Bonuses Now buttons. Click here to claim your copy and bonuses buttons. Click on any of these link buttons and purchase Rigi software and get all the awesome bonuses. Please subscribe to my channel and don't forget to like and share as well. With your support I will create more product review videos and offer you awesome bonuses. Thanks once again. See you.